Kumusta na? Anjo here. If you're wondering why I always do this in my pictures, not the lips, pero ito. It's M. Minerva Studio or M Studio for short. Philbert and I co-founded and incorporated M Studio back in 2005. It started as a hobby but evolved into a production company for the artist, by the artist.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude?
Our company records music, produces TV shows, creates music videos, broadcast and capture live events. We also produce shows and concerts, etc., etc., etc. We exist to build a sustaining ecosystem, a one-stop shop for the artist's full development.
Ayoko ng change eh. Talagang mas okay na ako sa ganito. Masaya na ako dito, that's it.
So, what's new for M Studio? More concerts and local shows, more content for new media, more albums, and let's even throw back some old events. I would like to invite everyone to subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and visit our website because we're very, very excited for what's coming up next.